the first thing I would say is that even with the adoption of EV over the next 25, 30 years, ICE is going to be an important part of your mix of products for the foreseeable future. But what we know quite clearly is that the margin or the share of margin that's contributed by fuel alone on a forecourt today has dropped quite a lot and is probably around 30 to 40% today. And so, EV, amongst the other things that you need to think about, your convenience offer, your food offer, your offers around, pick up and drop off, or valeting, or as far out as Lube Bay in some of the developing countries, also become really important in terms of how all of those things come together. On top of that, we have a clear change in behaviour that's been driven during the pandemic, where people are typically going to certain places, to physical places to buy stuff, but actually quite often are buying a lot of stuff online. And I think the gas station has proven itself as being a really important resource during that period of time, and I think it will remain so. So, rather than just concentrating on EV or just fuel, actually having that holistic view of how the attributes of your network work and what your competitors are doing and how that might evolve is probably, a really important part of the way in which you think about your overall business.